Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Gmail to Make in 2026. If you want to automate your Gmail workflow using Make, this guide will walk you through the connection process step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Make website, and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, create a new scenario or open an existing one where you want to use Gmail. Next, click the plus icon to add your first module. In the search box, type Gmail and select the Gmail app from the list of available integrations. Now choose the Gmail trigger or action you want to use. For example, you can select Watch Emails, send an email, create a draft, or another available option based on your automation. Next, click Add or Create a connection. A Google Sign-In window will appear. Sign in with the Gmail account you want to connect and select the correct Google account if you have more than one. Now review the requested permissions and click Allow to grant Make access to your Gmail account. Once the authorization is complete, your Gmail account will appear as an available connection. Configure the module settings, select the mailbox or labels if required, and click Run once to test the connection. Make sure the module successfully retrieves or sends data. Finally, save your scenario and switch it on so your Gmail automation runs automatically whenever the selected trigger occurs. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Gmail to Make step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.